Hello, dear customers. How are you today? This is Casey from Guangzhou QQ Company. Today, I'd like to share where is chain for different lady bag. So you can see they have many chain on my hand. The material we have iron, aluminum, and zinc. The cheapest one is iron, and then aluminum, and then zinc. So zinc is a very expensive one. And if you want to get the heavy fillering, then it's better you choose the island. Like this one, it's island with competitive price. I mean the fillering is the same as zinc, but the price is so cheaper than zinc. And if you want to get a lighter fillering, then you choose the aluminum like this one. Whatever the aluminum or island or zinc, we can plating to be different color. So you see, we have a different color for your choosing, and we have a different shape for your choosing, and we also can do it. You see this one, so I can hand for you. Look at it's very beautiful with the black leather, small leather inside. This one can be one chain like this, okay, and also can be the double chain like this, okay. So it's a very fashion and very nice. Look at this side, okay, you can see. And also we can put the leather with the chain on the bag. Looks very fashion. So dear friend, if you need to get different chain for the bag, you're welcome to contact us. Thank you.